Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we shall discuss how do metals react with solutions of other metals. Right? If you have a metal say copper, the solution of copper is copper sulfate is one of the solution or it is a salt. If you have iron sulfate is one of the solutions of this metal. Now we are going to discuss how one metal reacts with the solution of the other metal. For this we are going to conduct an experiment. In this experiment, let me just take a test tube. In this test tube, I am going to fill the solution of copper sulfate. The color of copper sulfate is blue in color, right? So what I am going to do is, I am going to just put an ion nail into the solution. I am going to just put an ion nail. This is ion nail which is kept immersed in the solution of copper sulfate. Now after some time, what happens? There will be a reaction between this ion nail and copper sulfate solution. What happens is, this ion is more reactive than copper. Because ion is more reactive than copper, what it is going to do is, it is going to displace this copper from copper sulfate solution. So you can see that after some time this color becomes light green, and here you can see that a reddish brown copper will be deposited on the surface of the ion nail. Yes, yes, I hope you understood. So here ion being more reactive than copper. So when you make iron and copper sulfates react with each other, the ion is going to displace the copper and becomes iron sulfate, and the copper is pushed out, it is displaced out. So here that copper is from the solution which will appear as a reddish brown, and this light green color, change of the blue color into light green color, is because of the formation of the ion sulfate. So how do you write it in the form of equation? Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus C. Okay, so this is the reaction that we have, right? So I hope you understood this experiment. In this experiment, we came to know that the more reactive metal is going to displace the less reactive metal. So therefore, so many chemical changes are going to take place. Now, this reaction is known as displacement reaction. I hope you already know this. This reaction is known as displacement reaction, and displacement reaction is based on the reactivity of the metals. The more reactive metal is always going to displace the less reactive metal. Now I am going to give you some of the metals, and can you know which metals is going to displace each other? For example, I have sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, right? So like this, so many are there. Fe, copper, silver, gold, like this, so many elements are there, so many metals are there. Do you know which is more reactive and which is less reactive? You don't know. For this, we have something called as reactivity series. We have something called as reactivity series. What do you mean by reactivity series? It is a series of metals in which the metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. That means the metals are arranged in such a way that the most reactive metal is in the top and the least reactive metal is at the bottom, right? So they are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. So such series of metals which are arranged in terms of decreasing reactivity, we call them as a reactivity series. So let us discuss our reactivity series first. The topmost metal which is in the reactivity series is potassium. K is potassium. Right? Next one is sodium, Na. Like this we have so many. Calcium, magnesium. What is the formula of magnesium? Mg. Then we have aluminium here. Then we have zinc, Zn. Then we have Fe. Fe is what? Fe is ion. Then Pb, that is lead. We have hydrogen, H. Then we have copper, Cu. After copper we have Ag, right? Sorry, Hg, mercury. Then we have silver. After that we have gold. By looking at this, you can see that potassium is the most reactive metal, followed by sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, and gold and silver, these are least reactive metal. It means that if you take this potassium, this can displace aluminum, or if you take sodium, it can displace aluminum. If you take aluminum and copper, aluminum can displace copper, but copper cannot displace aluminum. If you take this zinc can displace copper, but copper cannot displace zinc. If you take aluminum and zinc, aluminum can displace zinc, but zinc cannot displace aluminum. If you take iron and aluminum, aluminum is more reactive than iron. So iron is less reactive, iron cannot displace aluminum, but aluminum can displace. So like this, if you know this reactivity series, I recommend this week assignment for you guys is that you just make a chart of this reactivity series in your home and paste on the wall, because the reactivity series is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, so please make a big chart of this and post on your wall in your home. Okay, so that is your assignment. Understood? I hope you guys understood. Thank you guys.